For the second challenge in the extend lesson, tells us in the code block below, complete the following in the variable called number list. So I'll go ahead and write out that variable. Create a list that contains the values 0 through 9 inclusive. So I can go range, and I want to start at 0, and I want to include 9, so I'll go to 10. But remember, it says it wants a list, not a range object, so I'll have to cast that to a list. In a variable called string list, it wants to create a list that contains the words, this is a test. We got that done. Now it wants us to extend number list so it also contains the values 100 through 109 inclusive. So how we're going to do that, we're going to go number list dot extend, right? And for our parameter, we're going to use, again, a list, not a range object, but we want to start at 100 and end at 109. So we'll have to put in 110, right? So we include 109. And then it wants us to extend our string list with another list that says of how to use the extend method. And here, I think I have done everything that it's asked me to. Let's go ahead and double check that this works. All my dot extends are right where they want to be. This passes the test. We've got one more challenge in this lesson, and then we will move on to the final lesson, removing items from a list in the manipulating lists and introduction to Python. So I'll see you over in that next video.